Attention New Jersey homeowners! Are you ready to transform your home with stunning new windows and doors? Windows and Doors by the Men with Tools is proud to announce the grand opening of our brand new showroom in Summit, New Jersey. Join us here for your chance to see our selection up close and in person. Explore our exclusive Thermalast windows with advanced energy-saving technology and sleek modern designs that are sure to impress. Or check out our Provia doors, available in a wide variety of colors and styles to perfectly complement your home's unique aesthetic. Don't wait. Take advantage of this opportunity to see our selection in person and meet our team. We're confident that you'll be amazed by what you find. Call us today to schedule a consultation or stop by our showroom located at 444 Springfield Avenue in Summit, New Jersey. We can't wait to see you there.
The Men with Tools, out with the old and in with the new. Worry-proof, choose the Men with